okay. Welcome to Fort Knox.
How to grow sweet corn.
I love growing sweet corn, and on this new plot, I'm afraid the pigeons or whatever are having a great time trying to eat them. And there are two over there that have really been nibbled.
Yeah.
So I had a look round to see what I had, and these bits of old bed were a divan, and I've just protected them till they grow a bit bigger. These are incredible F1s. They germinated really well, started off really well till the pigeons started to have a go at them. And the last plot I had didn't have any trouble with sweet corn.
And you've got a field of sweet corn next to your house.
Yeah, why? Why these? Mine must be really nice.
I bet these are sweeter because they'll be sort of like animal feed, so they probably they're not sweet. Whereas these are like lovely.
So I've got 6 here. Obviously, you can see they've been sown in blocks, so that the pollination is wind driven, isn't it? So
it is, yeah.
So when they get a bit bigger, I shall take all off this netting, pigeon netting, and the constructions around it, and hopefully they'll be okay.
Have you had to water them much, or have you not bothered?
I have watered them off and on, but they do need some more watering, I think. But they're greening up.
They're looking well, but they're good.
I think they'll be okay if I can
get the pigeons off. Yeah.
So hopefully they'll go to about this height, and we don't need to do much really. I could probably put some mulching actually round them a little bit, just to keep the moisture in.
Yeah.
So that's something we can do. But,
apart from that, it's just keeping the pests off.
Yeah, it's a constant battle, as we know.
Yes.
Isn't it, really? So that's.
It'll be worth it.
It'll be worth it when you get 2 or 3 cobs. Fresh.
The thing is, they say, don't they, that sweet corn, you have to eat it very quick.
Yeah.
What was it that Monty Don was saying the other day? That you actually have to have the pan actually on before you even go and pick them.
But they are lovely, fresh.
Yeah.
From the plot.
Yeah.
So let's see how they get on. As long as I can protect them, I think they'll be okay.